How to perform an accelerated wear test on floor tape by Stop-Painting.com. Maintaining a clearly marked floor is a serious challenge in the abusive environments of factories and warehouses. Stop-Painting.com wants to make it easy for managers to quickly assess which floor marking tape will work the best on their floor. We understand the effect that heavy pallet dragging has on floor markings, which is why we designed Superior Mark and Last Mark floor tapes with unique features that withstand the abuse. We regularly test our tapes to assess their durability. Before you invest in floor marking products, it is good to know in advance how they will perform. An accelerated wear test only takes a few minutes and quickly determines which product is best for your floor. Following our simple guidelines will give you the most accurate and objective results. When comparing floor tape, we recommend considering these 5 factors. 1. Ease of installation. 2. Durability. 3. Visibility and ease of cleaning. 4. Removability. And 5. Price. Here's how to perform an accelerated wear test on floor tape. This test is intended to subject the floor tape to the worst possible dragging damage to demonstrate how the tape will endure over time. During this test, we use a forklift to lower a heavy pallet as close to the floor as possible. Then we tilt the pallet so that most of the weight rests in the front of the pallet before dragging over the floor tape. Although you would never deliberately subject floor markings to this much abuse, this test will give you a good idea of which floor tape is the most durable in the long run. Follow these steps to ensure the most accurate and objective results. Make sure the floor is swept and wiped clean with alcohol. This will ensure the tapes demonstrate the best possible adhesion. Take 2 pieces of each brand and adhere them to the floor. Make sure that the distance between the 2 pieces of tape is a few inches longer than the length of the pallet. Ensure that the tape is properly tamped. Load a forklift with a heavy pallet. Lower the skid down to the floor and tilt the pallet so that most of the weight rests in the front of the pallet. Now drive straight over the test tapes. Compare how the tapes were affected. Check for tearing, scuffing, and other signs of wear. Repeat the pallet dragging as many times as you like, but remember to be consistent with the 2 tapes. Whatever is done to one piece should be done to the other piece for accurate results. To assess visibility, try mopping over the tapes to see if one is easier to clean. Then test removability. This is an important consideration that is often overlooked. Floor markings must sometimes be changed to accommodate layout changes, especially in companies that implement Lean and 5S. Many floor tapes are extremely difficult to remove completely and often leave behind a sticky residue that is difficult to remove. Superior Mark and Last Mark tapes are different and can be easily removed. Superior Mark and Last Mark both have reinforced adhesive systems, which means they will stay largely intact when removed properly. After comparing ease of installation, durability, visibility, and removability, then compare price last. When all the benefits of using Superior Mark and Last Mark are considered, customers realize they are worth every penny of their price. Are you ready to test a roll of Superior Mark or Last Mark in your facility? For a limited time only, we are offering first-time customers 50% off their first roll of Superior Mark or Last Mark. This offer will not last long, so order your roll today. Test a roll for yourself. If you are not happy with the results for any reason, we will give you a full refund. That's right, we will back up this offer with an unconditional money-back guarantee. Call now at 1-866-284-1541 and mention this offer to receive 50% off. We will also give you 50% off your choice of floor sign. So go to www.stop-painting.com and check out our great selection of floor signs. We even have permanent inlaid floor signs available. This offer is only available by phone, so call us now for more information on this valuable limited time offer.